Mayor and council members, mean no disrespect when I tip my hat to you, Councilman Warren. It is an honor in light of the resolution and the timeliness. The people are they're absent. I wish I could thank them for standing in that march on Washington for jobs and freedom. This is something, I'm a young person, so this is something that I'm new to, and but it's not something I'm unfamiliar with. And I grew up in New Orleans in the inner city, and I felt firsthand what it's like to feel that. And so I am thankful that those people marched for our freedom. And freedom means that somebody doesn't control you. Okay? And we have come a long way, and we still have a long way to go. When I first moved to California in 2007, moved to Sacramento, it took me far less time than that to fall in love with the city, and I care about these people. And when I moved here, I worked in sales, and I wore a shirt and tie every day, and I had a taper. And I was received a lot differently than I have been in the last couple of years when I've changed my look. And I look a little bit more urban. And people don't take the time to make eye contact with me. Okay? And this just goes to show how far we still have to go. Okay? And where I come from, the police presence is not a good thing. We grew up seeing officer friendly, but this is not what the police have become. And if the police are the only ones with guns, what are we teaching the young people about freedom? What are we teaching them about the officers that are here to protect them and serve them, right? The answer to society's problems is not found in legislation. And we can't spit in the face of those who march for our freedom by responding with tyranny.
Thank you for your comments.